Hi, I'm Doug Greenway. Welcome to Elora and welcome to Stirling Marathon. I'm proud to be one of 3 generations of Greenways in the appliance industry, and over the next few minutes we'll introduce you to the vision, values, and amazing team here at Stirling Marathon.
We develop, design, and manufacture an extensive line of refrigerators, chest and upright freezers, premium built-in wine beverage centers, and electric ranges. Whether under our Stirling, Marathon, or Epic brands, our team is dedicated to bring exciting products to life that will exceed expectations for design, performance, and quality. Our philosophy has always been to listen and learn from our customers. Keeping things simple motivates us to engineer reliable products with features that our consumers are looking for. We strive to provide best-in-class after-sales service and support.
At Stirling Marathon, we are a community of friends and family. From IT to sales to shipping and receiving, we all work together to make sure our customers are treated the way that we would want to be treated.
I really look forward to coming to work because of the team we have here. The people at Stirling Marathon truly make it a great place to work.
We are fortunate to supply hundreds of appliance retailers across Canada. We take a collaborative approach with our partners by offering unique products that will make them successful.
We recognize times are changing and are proud to announce that we will also be manufacturing appliances right here in Elora. Our customers are looking to support Made in Canada products, and we've listened. Made in Canada represents high quality engineering, reliability, style, and performance, which our team at Stirling Marathon is excited to deliver. We are extremely passionate here at Stirling Marathon and do our best to support local, engage our community, and design appliances that are engineered to perform. On behalf of our family and everyone at Stirling Marathon,